Good day, everyone. Imagine a campus where every religious organization, its constituents, is seamlessly connected, where events are well coordinated and every member feels engaged and well informed, where memories are stored and treasured. Today, I am here to present a solution that will revolutionize how religious organizations in the Visayas State University communicate, manage events, and collaborate. I'm gonna present to you some problems. Currently, many religious organizations faces challenges in managing their activity. Communication is fragmented across multiple platforms like social media, Facebook, Messenger, or emails, and some even use bulletin boards. Events are poorly attended due to missed announcements, and members struggle to stay updated on important activities. According to a report by Hatsu in 2023, over 50% of university students' organizations rely on informal communication platforms like, for example, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, which lack organizational features tailored for group management. Another study shows that 25% of university students feel disconnected from campus organization due to the absence of accessible, centralized platform. Another survey said over 40% of university students miss campus events due to lack of timely updates, and many organization reports inefficiency caused by relying on outdated tools. With those problems mentioned, we will present a solution. Our solution is a dedicated mobile application designed specifically for religious organizations within the Visayas State University. This app serves as a centralized platform where organizations can, first, share announcements and update efficiently, plan and manage events with real-time notification. Next is facilitate resource sharing such as prayer schedules or multimedia content, and maintain a digital membership directory to keep everyone connected. With this app, organizations will no longer need to rely on scattered platforms. Everything they need will be in one place. There are also key features that our application have. Some of its standout features include a secure communication platform for administrators or moderators and members, event management that allow for scheduling, RSVP, and reminders. Next one is role-based access, for administrator or moderator can manage settings while members receive relevant updates. Real-time notification ensuring no one misses an important event or announcements. Compatibility with both Android and iOS, ensuring a wide range of accessibility for all users. Now let's go to the market opportunity of religiously. Upon closer inspection, university, especially Visayas State University, often houses multiple religious organizations, each with unique communication and management needs. According to a research study of Pew, in 2023, 60% of students in higher education identify themselves with a religious group, and the Visayas State University is no exception to this, thus creating a substantial user base for such an app. This organization faces common challenges as what I've mentioned earlier, including fragmented communication, low event participation, and inefficient member management, all of which the application religiously directly addresses. Now, the niche of this application is specific but scalable, since it focuses on religious groups within the Visayas State University. Unlike the generic event or communication tool, this app is tailored to the unique needs of this organization, such as sharing prayer schedule, managing faith-based events, and fostering collaboration across groups. Now, our business models features two features: the basic features or the free mode and the premium features. The basic features offers essential features such as announcements, event management, and member communication for free. This allows users to try the app and adopt it without any financial barriers. The premium features or the paid version is an advanced features such as custom branding for organization, advanced analytics, and additional storage for multimedia files and priority supports are available via subscription. We can also add to the basic features, add and partner with faith-based companies, bookstores, or event organizers to feature sponsored contents such as ad promotions for event which is fitting for the audience or youth members of an or religious organization. Now, the competitive advantage. I know there are a lot of generic tools and powerful ones like Google Workspace or WhatsApp, but they lack one thing. They lack customization for the unique needs of this religious group within the Visayas State University, and the religiously application is tailored to these features, such as event reminders, shared resources, and role-based access, providing a significant competitive edge. I can certainly say I am uniquely equipped to bring this project into fruition and success. With having a foundational knowledge in mobile application development using React Native and Firebase, we can ensure a robust and user-friendly platform. Additionally, as an active participant myself in a university organization, a religious one, I have the first-hand insight into the challenges faced by religious organizations, allowing me to create a tailored solution and how important it is to have a community that fosters a sense of belongingness, contributing a beautiful and mental well-being. As they say, our soul is connected to our mind. Our proven experience in experiencing similar projects and our passion for fostering connection, community, and spiritual growth make me the ideal person to turn this vision into a reality. So why this project religiously? Our application stands out because it is not generic tool. It is tailor-made for religious organizations. By focusing on their specific needs, we offer a solution that is both practical and impactful. With a combination of technology and purpose, we can aim to foster stronger communities and empower organizations to achieve their visions. I have already validated the idea with surveys and feedback from target users and from my first-hand experience as a member of a religious organization within the Visayas State University. And now, I am seeking your support to bring this vision to life. I cannot do this alone, but I know with your financial and moral support, I can certainly say, we can do this. Success is better than in group. As they say, the more the merrier. Join me in transforming how religious organizations connect and thrive on campus. And together, we shall bring forth change to the community of the Visayas State University. Let's make this happen. Again, I am John Ronald Lauron Galos, presenting Religiously, a unified platform for faith and fellowship. Thank you.